Good morning guys, good morning everyone, or to whoever is watching this video. Good morning. Today is Saturday here. Medyo malamig, 51 degree today. So naka-sweater ako. So pupunta ako sa Wawa at ako'y bibili ng coffee. Okay, pa-music tayo. Kumusta kayo guys? Kumusta yung Sabado niyo? Saturday morning, 9:40 na ngayon. So medyo late tayo nagising today. Anong music gusto niyo guys? Ako kung ano-ano lang. Mas maganda kasi mag-drive pag may music. Ano to? Korean radio. Dreamcatcher. Okay. Ito, tawid na ako after the sun. Ang daming sasakyan. Ano ba? Okay, God. After the sun. Pwede na tayong magpabilis dito, guys. 35 miles per hour. Kanina, 25 lang. Kasi mga bahay-bahay. Dito mga bahay-bahay pa rin, pero medyo parang highway na siya. So, pwede na tayong magpabilis. Ay, nabutan. Nabutan tayo ng stop. Stop pa ako, guys. I know. Nabutan tayo ng red light. Pwede ba ako mag-turn dito? Okay. Bago lang sasakyan. So, nandito na tayo guys. Nakapark na tayo. So, pasok muna ako sa loob. Papatayin muna natin ang music natin. Ang easy. Ang sasakyan. So, everything is off. So, babalik ako mamaya, guys. Kita tayo in few minutes. Bye! Nakabalik na tayo. Mag-alcohol muna. Alcohol. Saan yung alcohol? Tigil yan. Sanitize muna tayo, guys. Okay, so ako ay nakabalik na from Wawa. So ito yung meron tayong hash brown saka Wawa coffee. 20 ounce na Wawa coffee. So may French vanilla creamer dito, 4 na packets na brown sugar, 100% Colombian medium roast, saka dark roast na Cuban coffee. So, yan lang guys. Uwi na tayo sa bahay. Dumating na si hubby galing sa gym. Baka nag-aantay na yan. So, drive na tayo pa uwi sa bahay. Text ko pala muna siya. Okay. Dumating na tayo na nagpa-test me.
Okay, ready for Sanya's.
Okay, it's 589-6191.
589-6981.
No, 6191.
Oh, sorry.
That's
I'll
okay.
start over. 589.
6191.
Is she in the car behind you?
She's right next to me, actually.
Oh, she's with you?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Alright, I'm going to finish checking her in and I'll be right back.
Okay. Just make sure you do like she says. So you don't want to turn it.
He didn't watch me too.
She's going to show you.
I mean, I watched you last time.
You should feel that cotton thing hitting the back of your
I
nose.
know. I don't like that feeling.
Yeah.
But it should be quick. Dog. Ang dumi na mukha ko. Oil. Okay, ready na ito ang alcohol, hand sanitizer.
Okay, have you done the test before?
Yeah, last week, but I kind of like forget.
You need to walk you through it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, no problem. Alright,
Okay.
you each have your own bag with your name on it.
Where's mine? This is Sonia.
Just
Don't
make sure
see
before we
you.
start, that the test tube has the correct name and date of birth. You can pull everything out of the bag if it's easier. But you're going to need the swab and the test tube first.
Is my name Sonia Delesio?
Yes, the correct names.
Okay. Take everything out of the bag. Okay, so this one is mine, Sonia Delesio.
Okay. So you're going to open up the swab. On the one side it says open and it should peel at the top. You
Okay.
should set the test tube aside.
Peel the top. How did you do it, honey?
Yeah, like that.
Just like that. Push it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Open. It says.
No, just
open.
like that. Just
Here.
just rip the paper.
I can't rip the paper. Here.
Yeah, that's it. Just pull it out.
All
There
right.
you go. Just pull it out.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to remove your mask and you're going to insert the swab 1 inch into your nostril and
1
swirl
inch.
for 10 to 15 seconds.
Pointing to the corner.
Huh?
Pointing to the corner of your eye, and right.
Yeah. Yep.
Pointing to the inner corner of your eye.
Okay.
And you're going to swirl for 10 to 15 seconds and then we're going to repeat on the other side.
Okay.
So I can count for you and tell you when to switch.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All the way in.
Oh, masakit. It hurts, honey.
Alright, you can switch to the other side. Okay, you're finished. Now, the swab has a notch in the middle, so you could break the bottom piece off.
Okay.
So it fits in the test tube.
Break it off.
Yep.
See where the notch is right
Yeah,
there?
I see that.
Break it off like that.
And then you're going to unscrew the lid to the test tube.
Okay, unscrew it.
Be careful, it has liquid in the bottom. And then
Okay.
you're going to put the swab in the test tube.
Think like
Yep,
that, yeah.
perfect.
Okay.
And screw the lid back on.
Unscrew
And
it
then
all
that
over.
test tube is going to go in the Quest bag.
This bag is
Yep.
this.
Is the lid on tight?
Yes.
And then the Quest bag is going to go in the Quest box at the end of the drive-thru here. And the other bag is wipes to wipe down the box, what's on your hands. And you will receive an email with a link to sign up for My Chart. Do that within 24 hours. That's how you get your test results.
Okay.
Any questions?
We're good.
Okay.
Thank you so
Have a
much.
good day.
We're
Take
done.
it too.
Alright. Okay. Try.
You grab that, open it up with that thing.
Yeah. So that's the drop box. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. Drop your bag. So you got mine already. Alright. Okay, you're done.
And then spray.
Yeah, I have spray. Hold on. Let's spray. Sanitize. It's not recording. What happened?
Yeah, you can move the camera. It's gonna fall.
Garbage.
The camera's gonna fall.
Okay, we're sanitized. Masakit siya sa ilong. So, mga 5 times na ako magpatas, guys. But, first time na ako there is a CVS. So, before sa Florida, nagpatas ko mga 4 times siguro. Pero, sa testing center siya. Well, dili sa pharmacy. This time, dili sa Pennsylvania, sa CVS pharmacy mi nagpa-test. So ingon ato you do it yourself ang style nila. So tagaan kanila og mga staff nga kinahanglan nimo swab. And then ikaw mo kulitog sa imong ilong for 10 to 15 seconds. So a day and a half makuha na to ang resulta and I'll let you know kung positive or negative ba. Okay? Mo ni ang panahon karon diri guys. Si Paul ni adto siya sa Giant, nagkuha siya sa meds sa iyang mama. Unya di alam ko sa car huwat niya. And then maybe mauli mi sa balay magatod sa meds, and then mag furniture shopping mi kay next week, next Saturday mubalhin nami sa amo ang new apartment o nagkinahanglan mig mga bagong furniture. So mag video ko later guys sa furniture store. Stay tuned. Bye for now. So, nakauwi na tayo sa bahay guys. Galing pa COVID test. Natapos na rin ni Paul mag putol ng grass. Ngayon, binoblow na niya. Nasa likod siya. So, maya maya alis na tayo. Punta tayo sa furniture store. Oregano. May pepper siya. And ano pa? Kamatis. So, yan lang guys. Papasok tayo sa mattress firm. Go ahead. Pili na tayo ng bed. And now, let's go to the other store. Nangyari sa buhok ko. They're going to deliver the mattress on Sunday. That's what the guy said.
Yep.
And now we are heading to Bubs.
They got a floor sample discount.
Okay, so vanity. This is the vanity. What do you think? Pang mansion na dresser, guys. Let's open. Ito yung mga jewelries, lagayan ng jewelries, mga diamonds. Four doors. Anyway, hindi naman tayo sa mansion titira. So, tingin-tingin lang tayo. Maganda ang lighting dito. Alright guys, pauwi na kami. Bye buds. Oh, naka-order pala kami ng sofa. So, they're going to deliver it next week. Oh, I can't see it. Are we turning?
No, we're going straight.
Okay, Old Navy. Mga untags chicken sandwich. It's raining, honey. Okay. Hi guys, so dumating na tayo sa bahay guys from Bob's. I'm so sleepy, I'm so tired. I need a nap, I need a rest. I'm tired and sleepy.